The Colorado potato beetle, Leptinotarsa dissemlineata, is a well-known agricultural pest that primarily targets potato crops. Native to North America, this small beetle has become notorious worldwide for its destructive feeding habits. Despite its name, the Colorado potato beetle has spread far beyond the state of Colorado and is now a global pest in potato-producing regions. Its distinctive yellow and black striped body, resilience, and ability to develop resistance to pesticides make it a significant challenge for farmers. Physical characteristics: a Colorado potato beetle is a relatively small insect, measuring about 6 to 11 millimeters (0.2 to 0.4 inches) in length. Key physical features include body color. Its oval-shaped body is bright yellow with 10 black stripes running lengthwise on its elytra, wing covers. These striking markings make it easy to identify. Head and thorax. The head is orange with small black spots, and the thorax also bears black spots. Its antennae are relatively short but effective for detecting food and sensing its surroundings. Legs and mouthparts. The beetle has 3 pairs of legs and strong chewing mouthparts adapted for devouring leaves, especially those of plants in the nightshade family Solanaceae, including potatoes, tomatoes, and eggplants. Life cycle and reproduction. A life cycle of the Colorado potato beetle includes 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. The beetle is capable of producing multiple generations in a single growing season, contributing to its rapid spread and infestation. Eggs. Female beetles lay clusters of yellow-orange eggs on the undersides of potato leaves. A single female can lay up to 500 eggs over the course of a few weeks. Larvae. After a few days, the eggs hatch into bright red-orange larvae with black spots along their sides. These larvae are the most destructive stage, as they feed voraciously on potato leaves. They molt several times, increasing in size as they grow. Pupa. After the larval stage, the beetles enter the pupal stage in the soil. During this time, they undergo metamorphosis, emerging as fully developed adults. Adults. Once they emerge from the soil, adult beetles continue to feed on potato plants and begin reproducing. Adult Colorado potato beetles can overwinter by burrowing into the soil, allowing them to survive cold temperatures and re-emerge in the spring to begin the cycle again. Feeding and damage to crops. The Colorado potato beetle is an extremely destructive pest, primarily targeting potato plants, though it also feeds on other crops within the nightshade family. Both the larvae and adults feed on the leaves of plants, sometimes defoliating entire crops. Feeding habits. The beetle's feeding can cause severe damage to plants, reducing their ability to photosynthesize and grow. In extreme cases, the beetles can completely strip the leaves from plants, leading to lower crop yields and even plant death. Crop damage. If not controlled, Colorado potato beetle infestations can devastate potato fields. A single generation can cause extensive damage, and with several generations possible in one growing season, the threat to crops is persistent and severe. Resistance and management challenges. One of the major issues with the Colorado potato beetle is its remarkable ability to develop resistance to chemical insecticides. Over time, the beetle has evolved to survive many types of pesticides, making it harder for farmers to manage infestations. Insecticide resistance. The beetle has developed resistance to nearly 50 different types of insecticides since the 1950s, forcing farmers to seek alternative methods of control. Cultural control, crop rotation, hand-picking beetles, and planting beetle-resistant potato varieties are some ways to manage beetle populations. However, none of these methods are foolproof on their own. Biological control. Natural predators like ladybugs, ground beetles, and parasitic wasps can help reduce beetle populations, but these methods are often used in conjunction with other forms of control. Integrated pest management, IPM. The best approach to managing the Colorado potato beetle is an IPM strategy that combines chemical, biological, and cultural control methods to reduce reliance on any single tactic. Global spread though. Originally native to North America, the Colorado potato beetle has spread to many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. Its adaptability and resistance to pesticides have made it a difficult pest to control in many regions. Introduction to Europe. The beetle was first introduced to Europe in the late 1800s and has since become a widespread pest across the continent, causing significant damage to European potato crops. Ecological impact in natural ecosystems. The Colorado potato beetle has less of an impact than in agricultural settings, as it primarily feeds on plants in the nightshade family. However, in potato-growing regions, its presence can have significant economic consequences, as farmers must invest heavily in pest management strategies to protect their crops. The Colorado potato beetle is one of the most destructive agricultural pests globally, particularly for potato crops. Its ability to quickly reproduce and develop resistance to insecticides makes it a formidable foe for farmers. While management techniques continue to evolve, the beetle remains a persistent challenge in agricultural settings worldwide. Understanding its life cycle, feeding habits, and methods of control is crucial for effectively managing infestations and reducing the economic impact of this resilient pest. Thank you for watching, guys.